How do you do a fake topspin? Have you ever watched a table tennis match and wondered how some players can outsmart their opponents with just a flick of the wrist? One of the most effective techniques they use is the fake topspin. So, how do you do a fake topspin? Let's break it down step by step. A fake topspin is a clever way to trick your opponent into thinking you are hitting a topspin shot when you are not. The key is to mimic the motion of a topspin stroke without actually generating the expected forward spin. This can throw off your opponent's timing and lead to mistakes. To start, you need to mimic the topspin stroke motion. This means using your arm and wrist as if you are executing a real topspin loop. Lift your racket upward and forward while brushing the upper surface of the ball. Normally, this creates the forward rotation that makes the ball dip quickly after crossing the net. Next, subtlety is crucial. Keep the brushing motion light or even avoid brushing the ball altogether. The goal is to ensure that little or no topspin is actually imparted. Your racket angle and movement should closely resemble a genuine topspin stroke to maintain the illusion. Controlling your racket angle and speed is also important. Adjust the angle to reduce or eliminate topspin and control the speed of your stroke. Sometimes, the ball may carry backspin or no spin at all. This can behave differently from a true topspin ball and catch your opponent off guard. Now let's talk about your wrist and arm movement. The wrist flick and arm swing should look convincing. Mimic the typical acceleration and follow-through of a topspin shot, but without the expected spin effect. This will help sell the fake to your opponent. Timing is everything. The fake topspin often works best when combined with variations in your shot selection. Mixing real topspins with fake ones keeps your opponent guessing. You can also follow up with different spins or speeds to further confuse them. Practicing this technique can disrupt your opponent's rhythm. It forces them to misread the ball's bounce and trajectory, creating opportunities for easier points. This approach is especially effective against players who rely heavily on reading spin to execute their returns. In essence, the fake topspin is about replicating the outward appearance and motion of a topspin stroke while altering the actual spin on the ball. This confusion can give you a strategic advantage during your matches. So, grab your racket and start practicing this deceptive technique to keep your opponents on their toes.